The Jeep Gladiator is the only truck on the market that lets you take the doors off and crawl over boulders, but for some owners, it's been a total nightmare. Between the dreaded death wobble, leaking oil coolers, and early transmission failures, some model years are a ticking time bomb for your bank account. But here's the good news. If you know which engine and which year to pick, the Gladiator is actually one of the most reliable midsize trucks ever built. Today, I'm revealing the 3 years you should avoid at all costs and the one specific golden year that this mechanic would actually spend his own money on.
The 5 years to research carefully. 1. 2020 Jeep Gladiator, the rough draft year. The 2020 Gladiator is widely regarded as one of the more problematic years you can buy. Being the inaugural year of the JT platform, it suffered from what industry insiders call teething issues. But these weren't just minor growing pains. The biggest problem plaguing 2020 models is a documented steering wander. Imagine driving down a highway at 70 miles per hour and feeling like you're wrestling a shopping cart with a broken wheel. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. 2. 2021 Jeep Gladiator, the manual transmission recall. The 2021 model improved significantly for automatic transmission users, but it introduced a nightmare for stick-shift enthusiasts. The 6-speed manual transmissions from this period faced a major recall and a temporary stop sale due to clutch pressure plate issues. In normal driving conditions, the pressure plate could overheat, leading to a total clutch failure, or, in extreme cases, a fire risk. For many, the manual gearbox is the whole reason to buy a Gladiator. It's one of the last trucks with 3 pedals. When that signature feature becomes a liability, it defeats the purpose of the truck. If you are looking at a 2021 manual, you must verify the updated pressure plate assembly has been installed. Otherwise, you're buying a potential fire hazard. 3. 2021 to 2023 EcoDiesel Models, high-pressure fuel pump issues. The 3-liter EcoDiesel V6 is a powerhouse for towing and fuel economy, but it hides a serious flaw in these specific years. These models fall under a significant recall for high-pressure fuel pump failures. When this pump fails, the engine doesn't just stutter, it dies completely and instantly, often without any warning. Picture yourself pulling a heavy trailer up a steep mountain pass when your truck suddenly shuts down. It's a terrifying scenario. While Jeep has issued a fix with updated components, the repair can take weeks due to part shortages. If you want the diesel, run the VIN through the NHTSA database first. You don't want to be stranded on the side of the road because of a fuel system meltdown. 4. 2022 Jeep Gladiator, suspension component wear. While 2022 wasn't a bad year mechanically, it has become notorious in the community for premature wear of steering stabilizers and ball joints. This is where the dreaded death wobble reports often surface. Death wobble is a violent shaking of the front end that makes the vehicle nearly uncontrollable at high speeds. This usually manifests between 40,000 and 80,000 miles, exactly when many lease returns hit the used market. What looks like a low-mileage bargain might actually be a truck that needs $1,500 to $2,500 in suspension work immediately. If you're testing in 2022, pay close attention to the steering feel at highway speeds. 5. 2024 Jeep Gladiator, the tech refresh bug. The 2024 model introduced the beautiful new 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system. However, as is common with new tech, it came with software glitches. Early 2024 owners reported frequent CarPlay disconnects, GPS failures, and complete screen freezes. While these won't leave you stranded in the woods, they make daily driving incredibly frustrating. Buying a newer model should mean an upgrade, not a source of daily technological headaches.
The 5 years that last forever. 1. 2021 Automatic Gladiator, the sweet spot. If you avoid the manual, the 2021 Automatic is a fantastic choice. By mid-year, Jeep had addressed the steering geometry problems of the 2020 launch. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 paired with the 8-speed automatic is a refined, proven powertrain. This was the first year the Gladiator felt truly sorted. It offers the perfect balance of modern capability and corrected early production errors. It's a versatile beast that's just as comfortable towing a boat as it is crawling over rocks. 2. 2022 Mojave trim, the Desert Runner. If you want maximum durability, look specifically for the 2022 Mojave. Unlike other trims, the Mojave features a reinforced frame and cast iron steering knuckles designed for high-speed desert impacts. These structural improvements make it physically tougher than a standard sport or overland. With Fox shocks and specialized suspension tuning, it offers the best ride quality in the lineup. It's engineered to take a beating, which means it will last a very long time under normal use. 3. 2023 gas model, the Goldilocks choice. The 2023 gas-powered Gladiator is perhaps the most reliable version of the original platform. By this year, the Pentastar engine had been refined for over a decade. Every major bug from the 2020 launch had been identified and ironed out. Furthermore, 2023 was the last year of the simpler infotainment system. While it's not as flashy as the 2024 screen, it is proven, reliable, and easy to use. It's the perfect Goldilocks year, modern enough for safety, but old enough to avoid experimental tech.
4. 2025 Refined Refresh, the modern standard. As we look at the data available in 2026, the 2025 model stands out as the year Jeep finally mastered the new tech. The software glitches that plagued the 2024 launch were largely resolved via hardware and software revisions. You get the upgraded cabin, standard side curtain airbags, and the big screen without the beta tester risks. It's the modern Gladiator experience done right, combining the latest safety features with the reliability of a mature production line. 5. 2026 Late Generation Advantage, the final exam. The 2026 Gladiator represents the peak of the JT platform's development. After 6 years of continuous improvement, every known issue has a factory solution integrated into the build. Historical patterns show that the final years of a Jeep generation are almost always the most dependable. The 2026 model incorporates all the lessons learned since 2020, making it the truck the original buyers hoped they were getting. For maximum reliability, this is the gold standard.
The Jeep Gladiator story is one of rapid evolution. The difference between a great truck and an expensive mistake often comes down to timing and configuration. Avoid the 2020 beta trucks, the 2021 manuals, and the early EcoDiesels unless you've verified the fixes. Instead, aim for the 2021-2023 gas automatics or the refined 2025 and 2026 models. If this guide helped you avoid a costly mistake, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck buying advice. Which Gladiator year are you driving? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, the best Jeep is the one that gets you to the trail and back home without the drama. See you in the next one.